What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Saturday, June 29th, and the Hot Wheels Legends Tour car show is in Philadelphia this weekend, and actually it's in Warrington at the Walmart 5 minutes from my house. So we just got the car back yesterday from One Motion. Things running super sweet. So we're going to get it out of the garage, let it get warmed up, and we're going to head on over and check out this show. Started like 2 hours ago almost, but we're not in it or anything, so we're just swinging by and checking it out. Let's cruise on over. Damn, it's crowded. The whole parking lot, all the McDonald's. We finally found some parking. The place is absolutely mobbed. We had to park all the way in the back of the Walmart. Alright, so this show is part of Hot Wheels Legends Tour. This is their Philadelphia stop, and crazily enough, it's literally 5 minutes from my house. So I think this is the show where the winner gets their car made into Hot Wheels, like an official Hot Wheels. So there should be a lot of cool cars here, hopefully. I mean, I think it's going to be a lot of classics and stuff, but still mad people turned out. Let's check it out. That's cool. They get the little kids with the RC cars. Get to play with the cars. I'm going. We're gonna walk all the way past. We're gonna start at the back corner, get through the whole thing. So look at this thing. This reminds me of something that Cletus McFarlane would build. Super cool boss on, I don't know what kind of modified frame, but I wonder what kind of motor it's got in it. It's very cool. Cybertruck. That's actually the first time I've seen one of these in person. I don't know how I feel. A couple Jeeps. Oh, here we go. Here's something that tickles our pickle. And it's that. That's super nice. Look at the interior. It's almost like orange. Manual. Looks like it's got some stop tech brakes on it, but it looks like it's pretty much stock. Very nice. Holy shit, they got a straight fucking monster truck. Oh my god, the bumper's almost as tall as I am. Jesus, look at this thing. Wow. That's insane. Look at the setup on this thing. Can't even get it in the picture frame. Very cool. Wow, look at this old Bronco. Very cool. Dang, I really like this. I don't know if that's a wrap. It looks like a wrap. Pretty sweet. Oh my gosh, look at this riced out atrocity. Wow. Ricer Jeeps. Oh my god, we got the donk. Jesus, sitting on fucking 30s.
And look at that.
Little kids like that one. Little mini truck. Pretty sick. Cool old little rod type thing.
That's a giant
I really like to build a hot rod and put some kind of import motor in it. Super nice. Here's a super clean S2000. All stock engine. Super nice. Pretty clean. Rotiforms. I like it. Dang, look at this Jeep hot rod thing. Wow, this thing's getting a lot of attention. Oh, it's a mail truck. No way, junk mail. That is super cool. Junk mail.
Okay. Yeah, that was the winner from 2019.
It's got the Jeep front end. Wow.
I wish.
Oh, the mailbox air intake. Man, that's perfect. This thing is super cool. It's got the parachute on the back. Got some small tires with the Billet on there. Let's see if we can get under here. Wow, super sick.
That was a Monte Carlo, 77 Monte Carlo. Yeah.
Take a look at the inside. Dang. I wonder what this thing runs. Wow, look at the tubs and everything. Super cool. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Holy shit. Wow. Oh my goodness. Jeez, the semi wheels on it. Holy shit, this thing is nuts. Wow, diesel motor. I wonder if it runs yet. It doesn't look like it's finished, but wow. This thing is super cool.
It's not even functional.
Oh my gosh. The wheels are almost as high as the roof line. Super cool. Check this out. I'm not sure what's going on with the steering, but they got this crazy chain link set up. Super cool.
I guess you could do it. It's tight as fuck now.
Yeah. That thing is badass. Wow, that's another crazy build. That thing is super cool. But look at this. Here's something my dad would like. Super clean Beetle. My dad's had like 20 of these. So this one's very cool. He's got the camera kit in there and everything.
Jacob, stay here, buddy.
Super clean.
Look at this one.
That looks
Nice interior.
Do you want to see the engines in the back?
Super nice. And that was just the first row, and then already some sweet cars that I really liked. Oh man, look at this thing. Wow, this is super cool. Oh, Mazda. Definitely got a rotary in it, I'm sure. Like, he's got tire stickers. Rotary tire stickers. That thing is super cool. Wow, that's badass. We got the Marines. Camaro. Damn, that's a pretty cool wrap. Matte color. The flag and all the... Wow, that's cool. Cool design. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Slam. Is that Samurai? I think so.
Where the brick is, that's where the groceries are. There's a white car with the hood up.
I'm really digging some of the hot rods that are here. Look at this one. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Jeez. We'll stop and start at this one. Cadillac motor. 500. Super dope. Sick interior, all metal. Wow, look at that. Look at that gauge. Let's go over to the other side and check that out. Super cool. Tail lights.
They'll probably pick and choose which ones they
Wow. Look at that. So sick. Oh, look at this thing. Four motors, four turbos. Oh my God. Wow. That's a work of art. Unreal. Airbags. Damn, exhaust on the floor.
Well, this is Jimmy's car.
Oh, this, I'm not even sure what this is. Oh, rusty nuts. So shit.
Yeah, please.
To the roof.
I was asked if you had a shop or if it was.
Wow. The lantern. The details on this thing are nuts. You could probably look at this forever. Look at the stitching. Oh wow, the briefcase. Rear rad. Damn, this thing's nuts. Dude, look at the fittings on here and stuff. The mud flap pitchforks. Wow, this thing is so cool. This must be cool and overflow. A little old Clorox bottle. Wow, that's super sick. Amazing. I love these. Oh, look at this, the old school air conditioning unit. That's super cool. The door handles. The details on this thing are insane. Rusty nuts too, I love it. And look at the diamond stitching on the leather. I'm not even sure, all these industrial looking fittings are so cool. This thing is so cool. Look at the turbo setup. Wow, I'd like to hear this thing. Laying frame. Absolutely laying frame. Dang. Wow, that thing is absolutely crazy. I mean, that would be a cool Hot Wheels if they made that one. Take another look. Alright. Wow, that thing's amazing. All the details, all those little trinkets and that old school fittings and the lanterns, all kinds of crazy stuff. That was so cool. A couple old school drag cars.
This is Danielle's mom and dad.
That thing's super cool. Old school, I like it. Look at this. Small tires. That thing's sick. Streamer engine, individual throttle bodies. Stupid clean, wow. Cool interior. Super nice.
The guy that takes the pictures all the time?
A wagon. Damn, look at this Volkswagen. Super dope. I really like these old school Volkswagens, I must admit. And BBS's. Super clean. Wow, look at the inside. The Carshow is all custom. Green stitching looks sick. Super dope. Alright, that's a cool little show. There's definitely some sick cars there. I think out of all of them, all those hot rods and rat rods, I think one of those is going to win because there was a couple of them that were crazy. I ended up, I shot some B-roll of some of my favorites, so I'll put that right here. But overall, it was definitely a good show. I'm glad I went. Got to take the car out for a cruise. Alright, let's head back home. Bye.